Oriri mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto atanyitwo kwamura ateithiriria maminister kana CAS hindi yothe kwambiriria riu thutha wa kamiti ya kuramata uruti wira wa muingi guthurima andu 240 aria maraihuritie wira uyu. Munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua niateteire iturwa ciao.
Rigathi Gachagua, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Akiaria na nyumba cia mohoro, Rigathi ugite maminister mari na mawira kiondorita na mangiaga gucagurirwo ateithiriria kwi maundu mangihitana kana mage gukinyanira na ihenya uria kurabatarania.
I was looking for CS Linturi last week. I was going to the agricultural show in Eldoret, and he was not here. He was in some country where the president had sent him. If there was a CAS, that is the person I would have gone to the Eldoret show so that he can make whatever policy pronouncements that he needs to make as minister there. But I had to call him from wherever he was. He stopped what he was doing to come back so that we go for the show.
Rigathi ni athiete na mbere kuuga uguni uria muingi wa bururi ukuona thutha wa ateithiriria aya kwamurwo ni president ukirite mishara iria maririhagwo mugaru no uria gukoretwo gukirwo ni mekuongerera garama ya mishara.
Listening to the president, assisting him in the management of the affairs of this country, chairing the cabinet committees. There's a gap. There's a serious gap. And we need another level of helpers to enable us execute our mandate. And the president and I and the rest of us are persuaded that the costs, the benefit of having the CSs will outweigh the cost to it.
Mamwe maundu maria mutongoria wa bururi gukorwa agithingata akiamura ma CAS ni hamwe na watho wa maiganani gatagate ka arume na atumia na gutigirira gicunje kia 1/3 ni kiaheo atumia. Wa keri ni gutigirira iturwa ici ni ciagayanio icigo-ini ciothe cia bururi na gutigirira ndurire ciothe ni ciarugamirirwo thiini wa thirikari ta uria gatiba ya bururi yendekithitie. Undu ungi uguthingatwo ni mirugamo ya gutetera aria maihuritie mawira maya guku Rigathi akiuga mundu uteteketie thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza na mifango yayo ndagihokerwo kuheo giturwa kia utongoria.
The people who are opposed to President William Ruto saying that he is a thief, he is incapable of running this country, he has no agenda. The bottom-up economic transformative agenda is useless. There is no way we can allow him to invite those people to his cabinet.
Udoge president ya guthingata ni uhoti wa mundu na utaramu wake. Andu makiria magiri 5 niyo maikite ihoya ria kwiyuria miekeno na thutha wa kumathurima kamiti ya PSC ikirekereria maritwa ma andu 240 aria marathuthuririo na maritwa mao mothe maranengerano kuri mutongoria wa bururi acagure aria ekwenda kuruta wira nao. Hamwe na aria metereire kana ni mekwamurwo ni mutaramu wa ukinyaniria wa kiriu na muthiriti wa hakuhi wa president Dennis Itumbi uria wari mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arutani Wilson Sosion muhuraniri wa giturwa kia ugavana Kirinyaga wa Goigereshe undu umwe na uria wari murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Laikipia Kate wa Ruguru. Age ni aria mari magavana mugwanja ari ni hamwe ni Evans Kidero na Okoth Bando gatagati ka Geige. Hado-ini Hakameme TV, Njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.